The NDA is in a huddle at the BJP chief JP Nadda's office. This is for better coordination between the NDA partners and discussion on the entire Ambedkar Rao. It was also discussed there. This NDA meeting is amid that Ambedkar Rao, and the NDA allies are, from what we understand, our sources say that Amit Shah and JP Nadda, they have addressed their allies. Meanwhile, my colleague Vasudha Venugopal joins us to get us more on this. Vasudha, what are the details about this particular meeting and what is the agenda of this meeting?
Well, Osama, this was a very important NDA meeting with the allies and symbolically very apt because it is being held on the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the first BJP Prime Minister of the country, and also somebody who was the original architect of NDA. But this meeting was short. It was just 1 hour long. Amit Shah was the pivotal, was at the pivotal center of it, and he basically, what we understand from our sources, has made it very clear that all NDA MPs have to behave like NDA MPs and they have to work in tandem with each other when it comes to countering the narratives of the opposition, specifically when it comes to caste, social justice, Ambedkar. All of this is happening at a time when Home Minister Amit Shah delivered a speech on the last day of the Parliament, 2 days before the Parliament session ended, where he talked about, where he in some ways highlighted the failures of the Congress party when it came to honoring the legacy and the work of B.R. Ambedkar. But a part of his speech is being used by the opposition in some ways to say that he disrespected Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Today, Amit Shah has made it very clear to all the NDA leaders that the parties have to be working together when it comes to countering the narratives. They have to be on the same page. There, in fact, is a committee that has been put in place where MPs will belong to different parties of the NDA, and they will sort of work in coordination, in close coordination with each other, also to ensure that the central schemes are taken to people of the country, and opposition's work when it comes to the deprived sections of the society is also in some ways highlighted as completely ineffective. In fact, the Home Minister has also made it very clear that the Congress party has not been able to honor the legacy of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. In fact, they've not really walked the talk when it comes to empowerment of Dalits, and that is something all NDA MPs, all NDA parties have to take to ground to ensure that the opposition's narrative on the BJP's failures on SC empowerment or disrespect towards Ambedkar does not take shape on ground. Clearly, the BJP wants all its allies to work together on this front. Chandrababu Naidu was there, the TDP Supremo, also the most important constituent with 16 MPs, is also expected to meet the Prime Minister and also have another meeting with the Home Minister in a short while from now. Also, other allies, including JDU and Apna Dal and, HAM, which is the Hindustani Awam Morcha, Tushar Velapalli of SNDP, and several other party leaders were present. Nitish Kumar and Eknath Shinde couldn't make it, but they sent representatives from the party. The meeting was about 1 hour long, but it was about Amit Shah making it very clear that all parties of the NDA have to work together in terms of countering the opposition's narratives and also in popularizing the central schemes in all states.